Hi guys! I've of course watched every one of Laura's makeup videos. And to prove it, today I will do her makeup for the first time ever. I'm Michael, and as the husband of a former makeup artist, I love learning all of her tips so that I look and feel my best. Okay, we've got Laura here. And for moral support, we've got my beautiful daughter, Sydney. What we're gonna do is start with the foundation.
You got it right, babe. I'm proud of you. Good job.
Because that's the important first step. I view myself as an expert on this. And so first thing I do is I take the foundation brush, which is this brush right here. I meant this was the foundation brush.
Hold on, that's actually my blush brush.
So we will take the foundation brush, which of course we all know is this brush, put the foundation on the brush in a circular motion like this, like as if you were making soup. Okay? We put it on this way, and then you do a circular motion also as if you were making soup.
No, wrong.
I'm almost certain this is exactly right.
Is it blended in?
No, for that I like to use my blending brush. And no, my blending brush is this brush, of course, right? And then I blend it in. And then now it is fully blended. Next step is to put the makeup on, right? A blush, okay. So we open the blush, and then we use the blush brush. And
But
then,
hold on, I think you just used that for the foundation.
oh, again, move it as if we were making soup in a circular motion. Apply the brush on
Seems like a
the
lot.
cheeks. Lipstick?
Yes.
Okay.
I want you to do this one.
Okay. Put your lips out, and then you go in a circular motion again.
Yeah.
See that? And then you fill in the rest,
How do I look, Sydney?
Good.
Oh, okay.
and then you dab it. It's important just to dab, not to. Again, in a circular motion. It's looking a little blotchy, Sydney. I think we're having a problem here.
How is he gonna fix this, Sydney? What can we do next?
Oh, mascara.
Yeah, mascara.
Oh, okay.
I was about to say.
Is there anything we do before mascara, possibly?
No, not a thing.
Oh,
Okay,
really
so-
careful, Dad.
You pull it out and then you dab it several times. You do it in an uplifting motion. Up, up. The same on this side. Up, up.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
Up.
Oh. I felt that.
Extremely rare mistake. You wipe it off like this. Sydney, you understand?
Perfect.
Okay. The paint upon one's eyes.
Okay.
What would you call that?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow, yes. Put the eyeshadow on the brush, and at this point, I will create a move which I'm well known for called the smoky eye. Here is the smoky eye, and the key is create a little bit of a cat eye, something I like to do. And to do that, I take the mascara brush. It's a little bit of an advanced topic, so I don't want to rush everyone too much here, but
No, wait, stop.
Are we sure about this? What do you think, Sid? Is this okay?
Yeah.
okay. So what we do is we make a little cat eye to
Oh my God, you're
cement the smoky eye is what she does. Laura does this. This I'm certain is correct.
Have you ever seen me do this, Sydney?
I'm
No.
almost certain.
thing.
Okay, so for the eyebrows, what we do is we use the eyebrow brush, which is this.
Very good.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Do I dip it in anything, or would you like me to just comb it? Oh, with a
There.
pencil, with an eyebrow pencil.
Yeah.
Okay, and what we do
Okay.
is we
God.
do it in a firm, aggressive manner. Sydney, okay?
Okay.
You with me? So a firm and aggressive.
Oh,
And it's
I'm
important.
so glad we're not going.
It's
Oh my
important-
God. Oh my
It's important that it's thick,
Oh my God.
because if it's not thick, it doesn't register. It has to register by. The key to this is the
Okay.
thickness.
Okay.
It should
What do you
work.
think, Nick?
I'm
Pretty. So pretty.
So in my mind, I think it's absolutely perfect. And at this point, we're ready for the big reveal.
Can't wait to see it.
So Sydney, bring out the mirror and show it. She loves it, as I imagined. It's absolutely
It
perfect.
wouldn't be that bad if you just didn't do the mascara in the eyebrows. Well, that was fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'd be glad to do it every
I'm
night.
doing yours next.
Okay.
Okay.
We've done an amazing job on Laura's makeup here. It's literally the best job I think I've ever done in my life. I want to thank you all for letting me have this time together. And
I'll see you next week.
bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
It's
Should we
perfect.
go out like this? Would you be proud?
I would be very proud. I'd love to
Really?
go out like this. Yes, I think it's
You
an
want to
amazing
take me out
job.
tonight on a date night?
I would, yes.
No.
No, I'm just kidding. I'd never go out like this. Ever.